This is not a test. This television program is interrupted at the request of the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Clark, Floyd, Jefferson, Spencer, Shelby, Henry, Altum, and Franklin. At 1840 Eastern Time, Doppler radars indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, located 5 miles west of Clark County, Indiana, traveling east at 35 miles per hour. The warning issued will conclude at 21:30 Eastern Time. Please seek shelter in a personal basement or a windowless room in your home.